Alright, last video in our series of learning for EE.2. In this video today, we're going to work on starting with an expression and seeing if we can make up a story or a statement that would describe a given expression. Alright, here we've got two expressions and we're going to use them to make up some stories. We're going to try to be creative. We could look at this x plus 4, and if we're not feeling creative, we could just say a number plus 4 or 4 more than a number. Same thing here, 16 minus b, we could rewrite this expression as b less than 16, or the difference between 16 and b. But we're going to try to be a bit more creative than that. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, so for x plus 4, my story is going to be Sam is 4 inches taller than Xavier. So if Sam is 4 inches taller than Xavier, this expression, this whole expression represents Xavier's age, or Xavier's height, plus 4. So this expression represents Sam's height, 4 inches more than Xavier. For this second one, 16 minus b. This one was a little tougher. I had to think about this one. My story for 16 minus b is going to be... Can I move this box down? Okay. I have to type very near the other one. My story is going to be Grace is 16 years old. Betty is younger than Grace. I should capitalize Grace's name, right? That's nice. Betty is younger than Grace. What is the difference in their ages? Okay, so let me make that the right size. So we've got Sam's story, we've got Grace's story, and in this case, the story about Grace, Grace is 16, Betty is younger than Grace, but we don't know how old Betty is, so we're representing Betty with a B. What is the difference in their ages, or what is an expression that would represent the difference in their ages? 16, Grace's age, minus B for Betty's age. 4 more. I'll do 2 of these with you. We'll go simple, we won't go too complicated, and then the second 2 are going to be up to you. So 7 times n. I'm going to write, I have 7 times as many nickels, because that starts with N, as Frank. Alright, I have 7 times as many nickels as Frank. Does that work with that story? Nickels, represented by N. 7N would represent 7 times that amount, and that's what I have. So the expression 7N represents my nickels in comparison to Frank's nickels. Okay, V divided by 5. V divided by 5. Let's go with Joe has 1/5 the toys that Vivian is what I was going for there. Joe has 1/5 the toys that Vivian has. So V divided by 5, this expression represents Joe's toys. Joe's toys can be calculated by V, Vivian's toys, divided by 5. Alright, so you've got 2 times the quantity A plus 1 and 2A plus 1. Ooh, they're very similar. I want to see what kind of 2 different stories you can come up with for those 2. The more creative, the better. Put them in a Pages or Word document and send them to me. You have an assignment called Writing Expression Stories on Shobi.